The Fox and Hounds in Wylam. The Fox and Hounds is beside the Wylam Wagonway. This is a plan of Wylam Estate from 1857. It shows the ironworks and the colliery. The Fox and Hounds is top left of the picture. It goes back to at least 1841, as it appears on the census. Robert Ramsay was a coal miner and a publican. You could have a light bite or try one of their Sunday lunches. Food menu. There is a special price for senior citizens of £5.95. As well as enjoying something to eat and drink, you can enjoy quiz night on Wednesdays and watch Six Nations rugby and Premier League football. Here is some of the outdoor seating. As you can see, there are some nice little booths